Well, Jessica, a fourth straight victory for you here in Aberystwyth today, but Aberystwyth didn't make it easy for you.
No, it's always a tough place to come. I think anyone who comes here knows that it's a difficult place to play, but we dug deep and we got the result that we wanted, which is the 3 points.
We know what Aberystwyth's strengths are, and I think that they played to their strengths today, and it was something that we had to manage as we progressed through the game, and we knew it would be a physical game. We knew that we'd have to really look after the ball once we won it back and ensure that what we were doing was being creative in the final third and really take our chances if and when we got there. And look, we had some great moments today. We've hit the woodwork a few times, and that we've had to rely on some great strikes and some good moments from individuals. But again, as a collective, we're in a really positive place, and we're over the moon to get the 3 points today.
Oeddech chi'n teimlo bod chi'n heiddi mwy allan o'r gêm na?
Oedd un adeg yn y gêm ble o'n i'n teimlo pan gyda ni'r gol yn ôl trwy ddylita, ble o'n i'n teimlo momentum gyda ni. A wedyn wrth gwrs mae'r cerdyn coch yn digwydd a mae'r gêm yn newid hollol gwahanol ffordd o'r un. So mae'n anodd o fyna wedyn, ond mor balch o'r ffordd oedd merched i brwydro trwy Brown.
The last couple of weeks were great in terms of us being that ruthless team that we needed to be in order to get as many goals as we did. But today was a different game. It was tough. The conditions were tough. It was a physical game. They really came at us, and we had to really grind it out for the result today. But yeah, over the moon and super proud.